Welcome back to Future Drive, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of two wheels and four. Today, we've got something fresh and highly anticipated. Honda has just unveiled the 2026 Honda Wave 125i, and let's just say, it's sleek, efficient, and packed with modern touches while staying true to its legendary roots. Now, if you're familiar with the Wave lineup, you know it's one of Honda's most trusted names in the underbone category, especially across Southeast Asia. The Wave 125i has always been about reliable commuting, fuel efficiency, and simple style. But this 2026 model, it takes things a step further. Honda has refined the design, upgraded the features, and given it a sharper, more futuristic look. Let's start with the design. At first glance, you'll notice the updated LED headlamp, more angular and aggressive than before. Honda's gone for a bolder front face with integrated indicators, giving it a cleaner yet sportier aesthetic. The lines are sharper, and the whole body has a more aerodynamic appeal. It's available in 3 stunning color options this year: metallic red, midnight blue, and a sleek urban matte black. Under the seat, the Wave 125i still uses the tried and tested 124.9cc 4-stroke SOHC fuel-injected engine, but this time, Honda has tweaked the fuel mapping and efficiency. The result? An improved fuel economy of up to 67 km/L, making it one of the most fuel-efficient underbones in its class. And here's a big upgrade. Honda has now equipped the 2026 Wave 125i with a semi-digital instrument cluster. It displays your speed, fuel level, trip meter, and now includes a gear indicator, something fans have been asking for. It's easy to read in bright sunlight and adds a modern touch to the cockpit. Let's talk about storage and convenience. You've still got that 18-liter U-box under the seat, big enough to fit a half-face helmet or a small bag. Perfect for daily commutes or quick grocery runs. Plus, Honda's new key shutter system adds an extra layer of security. Suspension and braking have also been subtly refined. The front telescopic fork and rear twin shocks are tuned for city riding comfort, while the front disc and rear drum brakes provide reliable stopping power. It's not groundbreaking, but for this category, it's all about balance, and Honda nails it. So what about the price? Honda has officially announced that the 2026 Honda Wave 125i will start at around 79,900 pesos in the Philippines and roughly earns 6,600 in Malaysia. That's about $1,400 USD, depending on where you are. And honestly, for the features you're getting, that's a very competitive price for a model that's known to last for years with minimal maintenance. To sum it all up, the 2026 Honda Wave 125i keeps its promise: practical, reliable, and efficient. But with its updated styling, better instrumentation, and fuel-saving improvements, it's more ready than ever for the next generation of riders. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 Honda Wave 125i the underbone king for another year? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming bike reviews and future rides. This is Future Drive, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Ride safe.